see any birds?
No, I don't see any birds. Just go this way.
Something happened? Happened this man alive?
Stand back. I'm taping.
Huh?
I'm taping.
Me too, I'm taping.
Oh, what is that? What kind of duck is that? Oh.
What is it? Maybe Canadian beef.
That's duck.
Duck? Ducks can't fly.
Wait, I'm taping here. Let me go first. I'm taping. What kind of duck is that? Look.
Military plane.
Stand back. Stand here.
I'm standing back.
Let me make video.
Oh, look at that tree.
Look at that, guys.
Look at the tree.
What is that? Pigeon. You take a picture.
No, Canadian goose. It's a Canadian goose. I mean, it's Canadian geese, I mean.
That's duck.
No, Canadian geese.
Duck. So let's go.
Look at the tree. Ancient tree. Probably ice age, right? You think?
Ice Age, yeah.
Ice age tree.
Whoa.
You think it's gonna explode?
Yeah.
The tree's gonna explode. Whoa,
WestJet James. And check up.
West Jacob.
Yeah,
Look at that place.
let's go. So muddy.
Do you see any birds?
Is that the bird right there?
Where? Right there, look, right there.
Where?
What is that thing in the water?
What is that, guys?
I think that's a tree or a bird.
I think bird.
I'm gonna zoom in.
Pretty cool bird, what, James?
Yeah. Yeah, it is a bird. Look, it's moving.
Kind.
Maybe woodpecker.
That's duck.
Oh yeah, I mean,
Wood
woodpeckers
duck.
Woodpeckers don't swim. There's more of them.
Where?
You think it's Canadian goose? Uh-oh, we got catch up.
This is the Bow River.
Look, what is that?
What? What is that, guys?
You think it's more duck?
That's a duck. Is that pigeon?
Pigeons?
This could be duck.
Could be duck or pigeon. I think it's duck. Right?
I heard chickadee. Shh.
Huh?
Chickadee.
Uh-oh. Now I sit here. Now I go here.
Yeah. No, you go. You. Good.
This is dangerous park.
How? I see.
Wild birds here.
We can eat you.
Yeah.
See, James.
they eat us, dodo bird will eat us. Should we go on this trail? It says this is not a trail. Should we go on it?
Let's go.
You think it's a cave
Where?
or a den? You think there's animal groundhog or skunk?
I don't know. Scary.
Look like it's grandma.
Step back. What is that, guys?
Scan it.
I don't know.
Maybe it tells you about the birds. Look at the skeleton. Just joking.
Whoa, guys, look at the skeleton, guys. Look. Joking. See, James.
Joking. You think you can find birds inside of that leaves?
Yeah.
Let's try finding them. Come on. Our goal is to find at least 5 birds, okay?
How about 2,500 birds?
No, that's too much because it's the almost. It's still pretty cool. It's kind of warm, but everything's still wet. There's not gonna be a lot. Should I feed it to the birds?
No.
I eat it now, okay?
Okay, go eat it. What's that? Woodpecker.
Over there.
Wait.
Guys, listen to this.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Just turn this.
Huh?
Turn this way. No.
Don't get me in.
The Inglewood bird sanctuary, guys.
Guys, I'm Jacob's dog. And I can speak, right?
Yeah.
In my Togo?
Yeah, you Togo, your baby Togo. Hey, Raven. Shh. Is that ravens?
Maybe eagle.
Look at the raven, guys.
No, crow, it's crow.
It's raven. Crow make a caw sound.
Yeah, it just was making a caw sound.
No? Croak sound.
Uh-oh, what do you think that is?
What?
Okay.
Raven. It's big and black.
You said go here.
Stand there.
You said go there.
Make a video.
Let's go on this trail. Ready to go on this trail?
Turn around.
Uh-oh, which way did they go? Jacob.
I don't know.
What's
Say again.
What's Jack? Uh-oh, which way did they go?
I think this way.
This way?
What?
This way.
It's a small park. Hey, woodpecker, guys. Stay by. Stay here. See woodpecker?
Right there.
Where?
It flew. Right there. What is that?
Where?
Never mind.
Where?
I thought I saw a pigeon, but never mind. Right there.
Guys, look.
Where is it now?
It's right there.
Where? Where is it? Can't find it. Do you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
See it?
No.
Let's go look. More.
Should we go under?
Can't. Sad. We can't. You sad now? You're crying?
See it?
It's down here, James. I'm taping. Audience, like my
I tell you,
audience.
audience love this, right?
Yeah, they like the talking too.
Yeah. If they like the birds and nature, or do you think they're all lazy?
They like nature.
Are you sure? Or what if they just don't want to go outside and they just want to watch this video?
Don't know. Go outside, kids.
Yeah, everybody go outside.
Please subscribe and like the button below. A comment. Say James.
Please like, subscribe, and comment. Comment your favorite bird.
Yeah.
And give him $10,000 in Call of Duty money.
Yeah. Be so happy.
How much subscribers do you have again?
Is it 230?
That's a lot. Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Shh. Hey, chickadee.
Nature coming.
Is that Raven?
Maybe crow.
That's Raven.
Right there, right there. You see it?
Where?
Right there.
Whoa.
It's Raven.
Raven, guys.
Raven. Think it's gonna attack pigeons? Eat them?
Probably, yeah. Eat other birds. And garbage.
Ravens?
Mm-hmm.
What about crows? They just eat garbage?
Other birds too. The frozen over river, look.
Yeah. You can go on it. Go on this side now. Look, right there.
Chickadee, guys. Damn it.
Probably a hawk. It's chicken.
Chickadee. See any?
Yeah, right there. Chickadee right there.
Shh. Stand back.
See right there.
Yeah, I took a picture.
It's good.
Hey, ravens.
Do you hate ravens?
I hear him.
Do you hate them?
No.
Do you like every single bird?
Mm-hmm. I like pigeon.
Yeah. All the way up there. I go this way now. We always get confused.
Hmm?
We always getting confused. We're always getting confused.
Is that chickadee?
The sun is in my eye. I can't see.
Shh.
It's chickadee.
Can't see the sun.
I see it. Right there. Take picture. Take picture.
Trying.
Right there.
Is that magpie?
Yeah, that's close.
Whoa, that's raven.
You sure?
Listen to the sound.
Oh yeah, it's right. Look right there. You see it.
Where?
See it right there.
I hear magpie.
It's chickadee. Take a picture now.
Let's go see the magpie first.
Where?
Quiet.
The magpie. Where's the magpie?
Up in the tree somewhere.
I hear it. I see it.
Where?
Right there. You don't see it? It's right on the almost the second tallest branch.
Right there?
Yeah.
See it, guys?
Should we go now?
Where?
Catch up to them. Let's catch up.
We'll see the magpie first.
Huh? You don't see it? It's right there.
Where?
Right there. Or maybe it's a raven. Maybe that's a raven. We should go now.
We're going. Yes, we should go.
Like to catch up to them. People are mixing up, right?
Yeah. Chickadee.
Right there. Stop moving, chickadee. Stop moving, chickadee.
Does it look like Togo?
Togo cousin.
Is that Togo?
Whoa! They flew right beside you.
Where?
The other one. Right there. See? It's above you. They're playing tag.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let's go.
We're going. Raven. Guys, we might see magpie here.
Aren't magpies a little bit rare?
No, they're common in Alberta. I mean,
Really?
Western North America. Yeah.
about eagle? It's rare, right?
Eagle, common,
It's pretty rare. Eagles are
uncommon.
Pretty, yeah. What's the rarest bird that we have?
Sage grouse, greater sage grouse.
What is that?
It's like a type of big grouse. Endangered one. They live in
What about-
southeastern Alberta.
What about albino bird?
Yeah, very rare. So, magpie. Magpie. Whoa.
Oh yeah, those are common. Is that magpie?
Yeah, that's magpie.
Look, what is that? Canadian goose?
Let's go check.
Go!
Wait first. I'm
Run.
taping.
No, you can run. Magpie, look, magpie.
Magpie, guys.
Taking shower. There's another one on the tree. But this one's better because it's close. It's taking a shower.
What is that thing? Is that a birdhouse?
Where?
Right there.
Probably bird. Yeah, probably. Look. It took a bath.
Whoa, I see another magpie.
I think I see a lot of birds. There's like a lot of birds.
Wait for me.
Right there on the ice.
Could be geese. Whoa, that's a close one.
It's kind of big. Taking another bath.
Very common bird here. Whoa.
Look at that. What do you think that is?
Where? Let's go. What kind of bird is that? Look.
Maybe Canadian goose or ducks.
That looks like ducks, geese. What kind of bird is that?
I think it's a chickadee. I think it's a chickadee.
No, that's woodpecker. The small one.
Baby one?
No. Oh, that
just,
one.
Or just small.
That's a small one.
Look at that magpie. Or no, that's not a magpie. It's a woodpecker, right?
Stay here.
Look, it's a woodpecker. Whoa, what is that? Something's moving. I think it's a wild cat.
Let me see. Where?
It went under there. It ran. I think I saw a wild cat.
Where?
I don't know.
What kind of bird is that? It's raven.
Do you think an animal lives in there? Like in that tree hole?
Could be bird too.
Or maybe insects. See? Do you hear that?
It's woodpecker. The northern woodpecker. Northern clicker. See it?
Yeah. No, I don't see it. I mean, I don't see it. Do you? Oh, I see it. No, that's a leaf. Never mind. Should we go? Look, I see it right there. It's getting probably leaves. Maybe getting sticks for a nest.
Take a picture.
This is really close.
Very close. Hey, ravens. Very common here.
Yeah.
Not my house. Not my area. Not come my area.
Yeah, I've seen so much at your house.
Not my area, no.
I feel like I've seen so much like before on your roof. Like on your garage roof.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I saw so much.
What is that?
Huh?
Yeah, the small woodpecker.
So excited to get McDonald's, right?
You happy?
Yup.
Big Mac fries?
Yeah. This is very peaceful. I like it.
Wanna come here again?
Yeah, I want to sleep over today.
You have axe.
I'm gonna ask.
They say yeah.
Maybe we can do this again, right?
Mm-hmm.
It'll be so fun.
Or maybe we could go somewhere different.
Yeah, maybe.
Frank Lake.
Maybe we can go. Yeah.
Is that more ducks? Look.
Because it's so peaceful. Right?
Let's go to the river.
Let's sit down at the river.
What kind of duck is that?
Look at those ducks. There's so much.
The last several months.
Do you think those are baby ones?
No.
No, like over there. Do you think they're resting right now?
Mm-hmm.
Because right now it's hot, right?
Ooh, look at that.
They're all coming back.
What's that sound?
I think they're like washing themselves. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And they're flipping their wings
Let's
inside.
go
like-
try. Let's go see.
Go closer?
Yeah. That's them.
Yeah. Should we go?
My foot went. Let's go see.
Oh yeah, I think they're cleaning themselves. Oh, the big ones are there. These ones are more small, right?
I think so, yeah.
Those ones look bigger. Maybe we see a swan.
Mm-mm.
No, like next time we come over, maybe we can see a swan next time
That's rare.
in Canada, right? Or I mean in Calgary.
Yeah. They mostly live in northern part.
I saw a swan once at BC.
Let's go. We might see wood duck.
What is that?
It's a type of duck. Colorful duck.
Is it rare or common?
Uncommon to rare.
Uncommon to rare?
Hmm.
Does it go on wood?
They nest in wood.
Huh?
Nest in wood.
Kind of like a woodpecker, but not really.
No, not woodpeckers. They probably nest in woodpeckers nest.
Oh yeah, don't woodpeckers like they put a hole in the tree?
Mhm.
That's their nest. But then like
Or for
food
for food. Grubs.
and berries maybe. Do you think the
Northern fleckers, they mostly eat in the ground. In the ground for ants.
crows eat dead birds and dead animals?
Hmm.
Mostly
Or
garbage.
live birds too.
Yeah, but mostly garbage and dead birds. Mostly.
Vultures.
Crows eat vultures?
Vultures eat dead animals.
Oh.
Maybe crows too. Of the birds. Maybe human too. Of dead human.
Maybe. If there's like, maybe, I don't know. I don't think so.
Maybe if they're dead.
Yeah.
Look at that. See any bird?
No. Do you?
No. I hear woodpecker. I hear
I hear raven.
even.
We almost circle around now.
Okay, wanna go? Let's go.
There's not really birds anymore. Right?
Mm-hmm. Wanna go to the house there?
Maybe. Yeah, sure.
The map.
That's the bird? No.
They're there. Look. Should we?
But they're there.
No, let's go.
We can meet them there though. I think there'll be more birds here. Instead of over there. Look at that tree. It looks like it's bent.
One.
Look there. Looks like it's bent in half. Right there, look at that.
Oh. Let's wait. Look at that tree, guys.
Look at the river. The river is pretty cool.
The stream.
Oh yeah, I mean the stream.
No, go here.
People are sleeping.
You might see wood duck. Keep your eyes out.
What do they look like?
The Dean house. The Dean house. Is that Dean house?
Demon house.
The house, guys. Look. The old house.
Something's in the water. It's like purple.
This is called the house of the house.
Yep.
So again.
It's probably Annabelle's house.
It is. Yeah, a robber's house. Robber house.
Oh, what is this? Wait a minute.
I see no bird. Look.
Maybe in the summer we can go back here and we can go there and feed the ducks.
Might make part 2, guys.
Huh?
Part 2. When we make part 2.
Part 2.
Hmm?
Part 2, yeah. Maybe.
What do you make part 2 of Frank Lake?
This is part 1 of the
Inglewood.
What is it called?
Inglewood Bird Sanctuary.
You like this one?
But except it's tiny.
Yeah. It is pretty tiny. You know the other one with all the birds inside?
Frank Lake
Like
one?
it has like all the owls. I forgot what it is, but it has a lot of owls in it.
Frank Lake?
Maybe. It's like an owl sanctuary. But they have some other birds like eagles and stuff.
Ooh, look at the house, guys. Might make part 2 and go inside the house.
Yeah,
Maybe you can't go inside the house.
but maybe. Do you think you can go?
This is Calgary, guys. Who's the tower? Back there somewhere?
We can probably see it when we're going to McDonald's, right?
The tower?
Yeah. Right? Maybe part 2 we feed the birds, right? It smells like kind of smoke a little bit.
Let's go. Ooh. Oh, ice.
Which side do I go now?
This side. Oh, oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, oh, ice coming.
Huh?
Ice.
What is that black thing?
That's human.
No.
Human backbone. See, James.
Human backbone.
That's a tree.
Oh. Should we sit here for a while?
Hey, Raven. Is that Raven?
Probably. Or maybe crow.
Or is that human?
It's not a human. Can you make a whistle sound?
Don't know.
Think that's human?
Yeah, that's human. Go.
Jacob, maybe you get a lot of subscribers from this one, right?
Might.
Huh?
Go this way. Is that Raven? Is that human?
Not human. Probably, maybe raven or crow. Wait, are ravens and crows the same thing?
No. Part of the same family.
What is the owl's family?
Don't know. The raptor family.
Every bird is a dinosaur family. A chicken is part of the dinosaur family.
Chicken is from T-Rex.
Yeah.
That's what people say.
Yeah.
Frozen over, look. No birds here.
Yeah. What if a bird froze inside? I think it's too thin to skate, right? You think it's too thin to skate?
Mhm.
Yeah. But it's still solid. So maybe you can walk on it.
Be slippery too. I see.
Would it be slippery or not slippery?
Mm-hmm.
Because this one's not that slippery.
It is really.
This one? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Not that much.
Which way we want to go?
Should we go to the bridge?
You want to go bridge? Train come.
Yeah. Canadian train. Canadian train.
Say again.
Dodo bird train. We keep on getting mixed up.
Plane, guys, look.
You think that's a real bird?
Where?
Sounds? That?
Yeah.
Where do you think it is?
Batch. Chickadee.
Let's try and find these. Wait, it's chickadee?
Mm-hmm. So much raven here.
Which way? This way?
Bird sanctuary, guys.
There's a lot of chickadees. You like chickadees?
Mm-hmm.
You can't feed the birds. There's a legend.
Lots of raven. Let's go.
There's probably chickadees above us. Well, what do you think that is?
Raven.
What about that?
Where?
Raven is gliding.
Let me see. Could be raven.
There's 4 of them. No, even more. That. Wanna go on this side now? What are you gonna order from McDonald's?
Well, I told you.
I'm gonna order Raven food. Raven burger.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's so many ravens. Did you know there's so many beavers in Alberta
Mm-hmm.
that you can go kill them? You can kill as much as you want. Is that crazy?
We have the largest beaver dam, woman.
Is that bad or good?
Very good.
But they wreck our trees. I don't think there'll be a bird here because it's all frozen. The ducks are flying from all the way over there. Remember when they were all cleaning themselves? Jacob?
Mm-hmm.
I think those are the ducks. What do you think?
Where?
Remember when they were all sitting on those ice over there? Like far over there? Do you think that's them now?
Let's go my backbone.
I go this way? Super happy. You happy we got here?
Yeah, very happy.
What is this? Another barcode.
Maybe for Togo.
Oh, there's numbers on them. It says 1, 2, 3, 4. Like last one was 4, the one we saw first, and then this one's 1. So maybe we went to the wrong way.
Maybe let's go. Let's go my backbone.
Maybe we went backwards because everybody was going backwards. And we were going the other way. Look behind us.
Ooh.
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 Ooh. If there's a crow?
Mhm.
We haven't seen a crow yet. Well, basically, because a raven is kind of like a crow. Do you still have dinosaur fossils?
Mhm.
You gonna sell them one day?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
You should wait until like you're like 50 and then sell them. I have a lot of shotgun shells. I have a gold shotgun shell. Did you know that? Well, it's not gold. I think it's yellow. Is that Canadian?
Mhm. Very Canadian.
Those birds just look gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's nice. They look clean, right?
Mhm.
Remember I have one in my room? I have a dead one in my room.
Look at me.
He's giving a side eye. Because they want probably McDonald's, right? What do you think that? Oh, hey, look, it's their brothers.
Well.
Right there, their brothers. Right?
Mhm.
We're kind of going to the place where now there's not going to be a lot of birds.
It's sad now. We go home.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
But we're happy because we go to McDonald's.
Very happy. McDonald's bird. See,
Raven bird. Raven fries.
yeah. Raven burger. Want some?
Yep, sounds so good. What about moose burger?
Mhm.
Have you ever tried elk?
No.
Elk is pretty good.
How about chicken leg? Frog leg.
No. French people eat frog legs. What?
You're taping.
Well, I never tried it, but I don't want to try it. Maybe it would be good, but it just feels like it's not that good. And a chicken leg, you're just eating skin. There's like barely any meat in the chicken leg.
Oh, well, backbone.
Chicken backbone?
Yeah.
It would be so good. Best chicken in your life. Uh-oh.
Nothing.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm.
Shit.
Hi, sis, you hear that?
They're like, she'll do stupid things.
See your chicken wing? Yeah, I heard. Backbone.
Backbone? Ready? Yeah, I'm back. That's pretty quick. Yep. We're gonna eat Elsa.
Mhm.
Elsa burger.
Togo burger.
Do you like? Wait, Jacob calls her mini Togo. You like that name? Togo, yeah. Mom's here about movement. That husky one?
Okay, wait. Turn that way.
Keep on getting mixed up. Always, every single 5 minutes.
You're scared? Say yeah.
Got super scared. There's gonna be a bomb inside the burger.
Just joking.
Yeah, probably not. It's just Canadian juice.
Look at that, guys. Look at the river.
That's a lot Canadian geese. Or maybe it's ducks, right?
But here,
You think these are geese or ducks?
there's rocks.
No,
Mm-hmm.
there's some ducks. Or maybe geese, I don't know. Wait, are geese and ducks the same thing?
No.
Oh yeah. Are ducks actually yellow?
No. Baby ones still say yeah.
How do they change colors?
By eating.
Would you want a baby duck?
Mm-hmm.
Baby chickens are
This is
cute.
the house. The house. Look.
Maybe a shed. Probably a shed.
Plastic.
Look, the Canadian Tower. You can look at it.
Where?
You see it? Spy on people inside the Canadian building. I see it. You looking at it? Zoom in, zoom in. Let's go.
Plastic. Say it.
Probably plastic shed. Remember that white dog in my backyard?
Mm-hmm.
It's very white, you know white? Remember?
Mhm.
We're gonna do that again maybe. Remember that little trampoline we had? And it was thunder?
Yeah.
And we were playing tag on it?
Remember we're playing perfect timing?
What do you mean?
Perfect timing.
What is that? What's that?
You trip someone, you say perfect timing.
Oh, oh yeah. You guys always trip me. It was only me.
Calgary Tower right there, look.
Yeah. I don't like how they made taller buildings than me. Go! Let's go! Quick! Are you hungry?
Mm-hmm. For McDonald's, yeah.
For Raven.
Raven Burger.
Yeah. Are you excited for Raven Burger?
Mm-hmm.
Or what about Togo Girls Burger?
Yeah.
Is that the best burger?
Yeah. Best burger ever.
It's gonna be.
Look, there's a trail right there, look.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah. Just there.
We should win here.
Yeah.
Probably can't.
Maybe, because there's a trail. Or maybe it's a car. And they
Maybe it's a backbone, flying backbone.
flying back.
Yeah.
Because the ground is poisonous, so you have to fly with the backbone.
Yeah. You like that? So yeah.
Yeah.
Grassland, look at that grass.
Girl Togo has a mini backbone.
Yeah.
And Togo has a big backbone.
Thick backbone.
It's super thick and hairy.
Look at the Calgary Tower.
What about Bigfoot's backbone? What about Bigfoot's backbone? Like it?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna kiss it? You wanna kiss it? Jacob,
Mm-hmm.
you wanna kiss it?
Look, see, yeah.
Ew.
Kiss the backbone.
Marry it? You're gonna marry the backbone?
Mm-hmm.